Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick red color. This rich, earthy hue is a fantastic addition to many artistic projects, from painting landscapes to creating unique crafts. Achieving the perfect brick red involves understanding the foundational principles of color theory and precise mixing techniques. We will explore the key colors you need and the steps to combine them effectively, ensuring you can replicate this beautiful shade with confidence and ease. To create brick red, you will primarily need 3 essential colors: a vibrant red, a warm yellow, and a touch of black or brown. The red forms the core of your brick hue, while yellow adds that characteristic warmth and earthiness. Black or brown will deepen the color, giving it the rich, muted quality of actual bricks. Having these 3 components ready is your first step towards a perfect mix. Start with a base of red paint, perhaps about 3/4 of your total mixture. Then, slowly incorporate yellow, adding just about 1/8 of the red's volume, mixing well after each addition. Next, introduce a very small amount of black or brown, perhaps 1/16, to achieve that earthy, muted tone. Continue to add tiny increments of each color, especially the darker ones, until you reach your desired brick red shade. Patience is key here. For best results, always mix your colors on a separate palette, not directly on your canvas or project. Begin with small quantities of paint, as it is much easier to add more color than to take it away. Always test your mixed color on a scrap piece of material to ensure it matches your vision before committing. Finally, consider jotting down your successful color ratios. This will be incredibly helpful for recreating that perfect brick red in future projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.